Welcome! Are you in Pakistan and ready to start earning money online the right way? This video is for you. Most people in Pakistan want to earn money online. It's an exciting prospect, but knowing where to start is the biggest challenge. The desire for online income is strong, representing a path to financial freedom and flexibility. Unfortunately, many follow random YouTube paths, fall for scams, or waste months without earning anything. Be careful of fake promises. The question is not simply, can you earn online? The real question is, how do you do it the right way? Let's set the record straight on what online earning truly is and what it definitely is not. Online earning is not magic. It is not a shortcut to instant money, and it is definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, it is a real opportunity. Thousands of people in Pakistan are already earning online and building successful careers. The difference between those who succeed and those who struggle is simple. Successful earners follow structured learning and proven methods, not random paths. Following a structured method ensures you are building real skills and avoiding fake promises that waste time and money. Now let's explore real, practical, and beginner-friendly ways you can start earning online today without any initial investment. Start with freelancing and microtasks. You can offer simple digital services on platforms that require little to no initial investment, using skills you already have. Content creation is another great route. Begin with blogging or making simple videos about topics you know well. Consistency is key here. Finally, consider selling simple digital services or products. Think basic graphic templates, simple guides, or services like social media management. So you have the knowledge. What is the immediate next step you should take? The most important thing is to choose one method and start small. Focus on consistency and proving your value before scaling up. Remember, success in online earning, like any business, requires effort and commitment. Stick with it, learn continuously, and your success will follow.